Hey everyone, welcome back. Does FC Mobile freeze mid-match, stutter right before a big tackle, or lock up completely in head-to-head games? Here's the fix. First, close every other app running in your recent app list. FC Mobile's match engine is graphics heavy and completes with background apps for memory, which causes mid-match freezing. Next, go to your settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and make sure you have at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of free space, since slow storage forces the game to pause and clear buffers mid-play, causing the stutter. If freezes continue, go to settings, then go to general, then scroll down to background app refresh and turn it off completely for the apps you do not need running while you play, freeing up more memory for the match engine. Finally, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down, slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. A full restart clears memory buildup that accumulates over long play sessions and is the most effective fix for the persistent mid-match freezing. So all you've got to do is close background apps, free up storage, turn off background app refresh and restart your phone. Matches run smooth and that's it. Subscribe.